Stop renting your software with subscriptions that never end. If you want a pro-level Swiss Army knife editor that you actually own and that can handle anything you throw at it, this app is the one to get. PDF-XChange Editor is a feature-rich PDF editing tool that helps you update, organize, and annotate documents with far more precision than standard PDF readers. You can click on any text inside a PDF and edit it instantly, perfect for correcting mistakes, updating outdated info, or adjusting formatting without recreating the file. If you import a scanned document or a photo of a page, the app can recognize the text so you can search it and copy it as if it were a normal digital PDF. Annotating documents is really simple. You can drop in shapes, stamps, highlights, and more, making it easy to point out changes or leave clear feedback. The app can compare two PDFs side by side and highlight every difference, making it easy to spot changes in contracts, proposals, or revised documents without manually scanning line by line. You can export any PDF into an editable Word document, which is incredibly useful when you need to rewrite sections, adjust formatting, or repurpose content without starting from scratch. You can reorder, delete, rotate, or extract pages in seconds, giving you full control over the structure of any PDF without needing extra software. If you want a feature-packed PDF editor that's also impressively fast, this app is absolutely worth trying. Most of its tools are free to use, and the few advanced features that require a license come at a surprisingly affordable price. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.